What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, what a go on my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. I'm back, guys, I'm back. And guys, let me tell you something. You see the few days me away, me I tell you me miss you. Me miss you cause guess what? Me love nobody now. Me love her. Rodney love her. Me say me love her like go God love little children, like go cook food. Me love her like cook food. Yam and banana and brown sugar chicken. Yes. How you do? You know alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. I hope you don't feel no pain because you know at Christmas we can't feel no pain in Christmas. And if you don't feel any pain, go check the doctor. Yes, go check the doctor. Call the doctor, go to the doctor and make somebody bring you to the doctor. Yeah man, make somebody bring you over there. And guys, remember, mental health crisis is no joke. So do some wellness check on your friend, family, all your enemy. Check by your enemy because sometimes your enemy is more important than your friend and your family because your enemy keep you on your toes. Yeah man, because you know they don't like me, so them keep me on my toes going, coming now, make them laugh off of me anyway. Yes, and remember, Christmas I come away wow we lama. Yeah man, Christmas I come and you know Jamaican people love them curry goat and piece of pork and them cereal drinks in the morning. Yes. So you don't know. Help anybody where you can help. If you don't have the money, pray for them. Pray for them. My viewers and subscribers, I'm about to change, take off the lifestyle off of the channel. Yeah? And the channel is going to name Rodney's Real Talk TV. Yes, and then me go give a different punchline, but me go continue do my thing. The way how me do it, no changes. It's just that people are asked for the lifestyle and me not do no lifestyle pan this channel. Me just go do the talking, the information, the telling you about people and giving you reports and all what's going on about in a Jamaica, in a foreign, in a England with Jamaicans and other things. So get ready guys, coming up, and guys, me go do some talk show, some calling and all them things. So get ready guys for that. However guys, you see Mackie come out in a one video where I work at one lawyer place. You know see him? You know see him come out with him lying self. You know see him come out with him thing. Guys, I go say something to each and every one of you. Both Makisha and all of you know out there. Me don't know if you don't hear about the case of the jealousy of the woman, the Jamaican woman who flew from New York to Florida, Borough County, the same county where Mackie live in, to analyze the woman. Hold on. You know hear about the case? You know see that woman yeah? Yeah, that woman yeah? Yes, she analyzed the woman. Why did she analyze the woman? She analyzed the woman because she said the woman there with the man where she want. Hold on, I wonder if you know I hear what me say. You know I hear what me say? She analyzed the woman. By the way, hold on a little bit. Me go play a little clip of the thing. Listen here.
A woman is sentenced to life in prison for killing her romantic rival. The victim's family came out in droves to witness the hearing.
NBC6's Marissa Bagg was the only reporter in the courtroom. And Marissa, there wasn't an empty seat in the house?
No, there wasn't, Jackie. In fact, the judge asked myself and a few others to sit over in the area that's usually designated for the jury just to make more space there in the courtroom. Many friends and family did speak up today because they knew it would be their last chance to address the killer.
My heart is broken in ways words cannot express.
Through tears, loved ones spoke out in court about their pain and anger over the killing of 23-year-old Kayla Hodgson in her Tamarack home. Dozens of them packed the courtroom Monday wearing bright pink and black shirts with Kayla's photo and messages of the justice they waited 3 years for.
For the rest of your existence, you will have to look in the mirror every day, regret your decisions, and think about how foolish you are. I hope all your nights are filled with regret and loneliness.
A judge sentenced 31-year-old Sakina Thompson to life in prison for the murder. A jury found her guilty in October. 10 of Kayla Hodgson's friends and family stood firm as they faced her killer for the last time.
What she's done was very wicked and evil, and a person like her, it's important that they never see the light of day again.
Evidence showed Thompson confronted Hodgson in her apartment home in July of 2022 at 5 o'clock in the morning and then stabbed her to death. Thompson testified during trial that it was self-defense because she was pregnant at the time, but the jury didn't believe her.
Or how about the audacity of you to come up on this stand and waste taxpayer dollars and tell them a crock of garbage to everyone in the courtroom about your blackout reasoning?
Prosecutors say Thompson killed Kayla because Kayla was dating her boyfriend. That jealousy prompted her to fly from New York to South Florida to carry out the murder.
And everyone will get to also see the darkness that this person you're sentencing and her failed attempts to cover it with false claims and her blatant lack of remorse.
I'm just glad that we got the justice that we was looking for and that she will never be able to do this to another family again.
Thompson was sentenced to life in prison without parole. She did have the opportunity to speak today, but she declined to take that opportunity. We are live here in Fort Lauderdale. Marissa Bagg, NBC6 News.
So, uno hear what happened. Uno see the woman face. Do this woman look like a woman who care? When the judge read out what is going to happen, life imprisonment, do you see she cry or do you see she feel like anything? No. That's a person who dictate, control. She haven't done anything wrong. She haven't done anything wrong. When they ask her, she says she black out. When they ask her about it, she said she don't know nothing. She did black out. Just like Mackie don't know anything about what he have done in the relationship. Now guys, the reason why I am saying to you about Mackie and Alicia Kim relationship, with this relationship, that this girl fly from New York to Borough County in Florida to unalive a woman because the woman is with a man that she possess, she love, she want, she believe that woman is taking what she supposed to have. Now the reason why I'm making this video, putting it this way, Ram and Mackie is the same kind of person like this woman, because Mackie divorced Alicia Kim and Mackie is out there telling lies on Alicia Kim, telling lies about Alicia Kim and Alicia Kim family. Then you have Ram who is possessed, who feel that he should get a DM back from Alicia Kim, who is talking and will not stop talking about Alicia Kim. This is what these things lead up to. My viewers and subscribers, most likely my viewers, because some of you no subscribe to me, some subscribe to me. This is the thing I'm trying to tell you all. Stop. Give these people the encouragement to keep on bashing Alicia Kim to keep on help Mackie to feel like he have the right to be doing what he's doing, because at some point in time, nobody know when Mackie will snap. Nobody know when Mackie will snap. And who knows, God hope that he don't snap and go find Alicia Kim and her family. And you all take this thing for a joke. This is not a joking matter. Mackie beat woman already. Well, not big woman, but young ladies when he used to be in school in Jamaica, 1979, before he left to America. He fired his weapon over a woman's head. Domestic affair. When I have conversation and dialogue with women that he have been with, they never tell me that he have done them anything physical, but they didn't say it, but you can see in their eyes, you can hear the trembleness while talking to these people. And I'm telling you all take this thing for a joke. You all look at this thing as a joke, and you are giving Mackie the momentum and telling him, making it look like he's right. He have a case on Alicia Kim. Nobody know when he's going to snap. If he's going to snap, Mackie believe that Alicia Kim owe him money, owe him something, because he was the one who helped her to come to America. Alicia Kim don't owe. Look at it this way. Alicia Kim give her body, time, space, energy, and everything to Mackie for 6 years. That's count as payment. I want you all to sit down in your living room, wherever you're sitting, and ask yourself, how would you feel if you watch the news, and when you look on the news, you see something that you could not believe? And you're going to say to yourself, I cannot believe he did that. I didn't know he was going to do that. I didn't know he capable of doing that. I didn't know he did that. I didn't know. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That's what you're going to say. So, when you all sit down, watching Mackie making these videos, watching Rumram making these videos, because Rumram is possessed. Rumram is possessed. Rumram is possessed of Alicia Kim. We all know, we all see it. Rumram go as far as say that Alicia Kim talking about having another baby, and she just have one baby, when him same one, Rumram, said Alicia Kim have baby from last year. My viewers and subscribers, I want you all to really take the time out. Please, I'm begging you all to take the time out to look within yourself. Stop. Engage into Lady Keish, Ambitious Jackie, Rumram, when they talk about Alicia Kim and Mackie. Stop, engage, because what your guys are doing, your guys is fueling the fire in Mackie's brain. Nobody know what that guy is capable of. He already fire a firearm over a woman's head. He already allegedly grip a woman. God knows what he can do next or will do. Some of you believe and take this thing for a joke. Right now, I'm not even going much in the information that I have. I have several information from ladies. Yes, from ladies that I will be talking about in another video. In this video, I'm going to say a few things. Mackie is not an easy person who you see him look like he's such a shining armor. No, he's not. And I am telling you all, I have talked to an individual who, when they part ways, she have to leave the state for 2 years. And then she come back. Because Mackie was like a thorn in her skin. Mackie would drive past her house, drive up and down for months and weeks and days. Allegedly, that's what I was told. Now, people, listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying to you. I am not telling you what to do. You have all right to do whatever you have to do. But do not be the person who is engaging, empowering this man, Mackie, this man, what him name, Ram, the trucker, this lady, Lady Keish, this lady, Ambitious Jackie, to push this man that none of you know about, Mackie, to go over the edge. Nobody know when he can go over the edge. Nobody know if he can go over the edge. Nobody know if he's capable or what he's capable of, away from a few people that I talk to. And as far as what I gather, he's capable of doing a lot. Let me say this. As a felon in America, you cannot purchase a firearm legally as a felon in America. However, you still can have a firearm as a felon in America. The only thing is, when the police catch you, you're going to get double and triple time what you should get because you're a felon and you're carrying a firearm. Nobody know what, when, how, who can do his dirty work. Also, let me say this to each and every one of you. Ram, aka Brokeback the trucker, drives a truck. You noticed the other day he did a video and he says, people, you see the license plate? You see where I am? The license plate says New Jersey. Yeah. So when you all are out there fidgeting, laughing, running jokes, acting like this is a walk in the park, it's not. We are dealing with individual lives. That's what we're dealing with. So did you see that lady who do the tracking of that man and find that man home? Did you see that? It's not hard. I tell you all, it's not hard. It's just that it depends on who you know, where they are, and when you know them. And if they'll do it for you, or if you're in the position of doing it by yourself. It all depends if you have clearance or if you don't. So what I'm trying to say to each and every one of you out there, Mackie himself, he need to stop what he's doing. He need to stop what he's doing. He will not stop what he's doing. Because at the end of the day, you all are fueling his stupidity. If you all wasn't fueling his stupidity of what he's doing to this lady, he would stop a while ago. This video that he just make about him in the lawyer office. Come on now, he says he get a lot of work. Why did he make that video? That specific video of him fixing up a lawyer office. Now let me help you. He only made that video because he's in a lawyer office, so he's trying to make you feel like he's powerful, he's strong, No, don't talk about him because he know lawyer people. Think again. You can't stop me. That won't stop me. I'm not a coward. I'm not a fool. Working in a lawyer office don't say that you can pay a lawyer for his time. Working in a lawyer office, remember, you have lawyer, you have every single individual who work in this world, who live in this world, who have gone to prison. Every single one. Donald J. Trump have 34 felonies as a president of the United States of America. So if the president of the United States of America have 34 felonies, who are you? Huh? Why you think he can have 34 felony, but you don't have none? My viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say. More like my viewers. It is not good for what you all are doing. Look into this situation. People unaliving people. Because of what? Because they cannot get to be with them. Are you telling me that it is more easier for you to take a life of a woman that is with a man that you want and go spend the rest of your life in prison? Rather than to be free to find another man. Mackie said he moves on. But he haven't moved on. But my viewers and subscribers, listen to me good. There's a lot coming. Yeah, there's a lot coming. While I was away catering, I was also away gathering my information. And the information I gather is not about only Mackie, it's about a lot of people, a lot of things that's going on in the YouTube street. A lot of it. Information that I won't even open my mouth and say. Information that is very damning. Information that when I talk to my mother is the one who says to me, son, do not, I'm asking you, do not put those things out there. And I said to my mother, you don't have to worry about that part because you know how I stay. I will not put those things out in the world. Most of these things have things to do with women. And guys, on my channel, I'm not going to downgrade no woman. I'll talk about them, but I'm not going to downgrade them. there's information that I get that I will not put them out there because of what it is and what it's about. Some viewers and subscribers, it's only that I want to come back with this video because when I see this thing of this woman traveling from New York, this woman buy a plane ticket, fly to New York, to Miami, Florida. This woman change up everything. This woman use a different, this woman set up a different system, everything different, because she know she going to do something that she not supposed to do, so she don't want nobody to find out she's in that state. My viewers and subscribers, this woman, after this woman taking this woman 3 pints, this woman fell in front of the door. You pull this woman away. Pull the woman body away from the door. Put the woman clothes on. Take her clothes in a bag and walk out of that apartment with no apology. So what I'm saying to you all is, don't feel like this can happen. I won't even call her name in this saying. It can happen because we don't know what and who Mackie really is. And we do not know who and what Brokeback is, or what he'll do, what he's capable of doing, because if you is so much, what word I should use, invested in Alicia Kim life, that Alicia Kim put a wig on her mother head and you have a problem with it, what else wouldn't you do? Alicia Kim says she's going to have her next baby and you have a problem with that, what wouldn't you do else? Alicia Kim have a baby for another man, what? And you have a problem with it, what wouldn't you do? Some of viewers and subscribers, what I'm trying to say to you is, stop fuel these people. Stop push these people and make them feel like what they're doing is right. Because you all wouldn't want to wake up one morning and hear the bad news. Lord have mercy, what if that's all you go do? It already happened. If I hope it don't. But you have to stop. Make them feel like what they're doing is right. People taking people's life is simpler things. With that said, remember, I'm going to make a change. I'm going to take off the lifestyle. And we're going to do some journalism. We're going to do some reporting. We're going to talk about some situation. We're going to talk about real life things. We're going to tell the truth. We're going to do some real talking about what are going on in America, everywhere. We're going to do some gossiping too. We're going to talk about some people business too. We're going to talk about some people dirty life where they live too. We go chat about everything. So my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, we will say, walk good, talk good, smile a while, and give your face a rest. We love her now. Anyway, stay blessed. I'm out.